We've got two major semiconductor ETFs touching 52-week lows today. The SMH and the SOX, the SOXX, off around 3% today, led lower by names like Lam Research and Marvell. The move coming after the U.S. announced new export controls on certain advanced computing shipment being sold into China. We also got new data today on PC shipments. Those numbers continue to decline, down 15% year over year in the most recent quarter. Let's bring in Bernstein's senior analyst, Stacy Rasgon. The China export controls just compounding the worries around this sector already on the cycle slowing down. So what do you do with these stocks, Stacy?
Yeah, but the China export restrictions were not helpful. We knew they were coming. We've been waiting for it for quite a while. There have already been some incremental sort of piecemeal sanctions. What this does is sort of codifies them and kind of expands them. I'd actually say the incremental from this in terms of what was already sort of put forth was not that big. The big incremental is memory CapEx, wafer fabrication equipment, which is why a lot of the semi-caps are down today. The other is supercomputers. So anything sort of related to supercomputers into China, I think, is going to be a no-go. Beyond that, though, I think everything else is mostly okay. I don't think it applies to things like, say, general-purpose CPUs, things like PCs or x86 servers or smartphones, that kind of thing. So I think that is safe. That being said, though, does sort of represent a larger escalation of people wondering if there's going to be retaliation or that sort of thing coming from China, which I think is why a lot of the other names, Qualcomm or Broadcom or anything else that's not directly impacted but obviously does a lot of business in China, those are getting impacted today as well.
What about the positioning of the sector into earnings after we got that warning? That was preliminary results from AMD, which was one of the strongest in the group.
Yeah, so everybody knows PCs are weak. And frankly, I think people were expecting AMD, if not to pre-announce, at least to miss. I would say that the miss, though, was bigger than people thought it would be. PCs do not look great. You mentioned some of the PC data that came out. They're still falling. I almost feel like they're getting worse by the day. It's not like they're low and then stable. They are continuing to get worse as we move into year end. And so that's what happened with AMD. I'd say broadly for the space, though, people are worried that numbers in general need to come down. The valuations are starting to reflect that. The thing with semis is you need to sort of know when the bottom is before people can buy. And actually, cuts in that sense are okay if you can be certain that that's sort of the last cut and we can grow off of it. I don't know that we're there yet, though, for a wide swath of the space.
All right. Well, there's your headline. Don't think we're there yet. Stacy Rasgon, thank you very much.